Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check Credit Karma debit balance. In order to check your Credit Karma's debit balance, the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser of your choice. Now in the URL box, type in creditkarma.com. Once you end up in the official website for Credit Karma, make sure to log into your account by entering your email address and password associated with your account. After filling in the details, click Login, and once you log into your Credit Karma account, you'll find your current balance. It includes hold and pending transactions as well as your available balance, which represents the amount you can withdraw or spend immediately. If you're using the Credit Karma mobile app, you can simply open the app and then sign into your account, which will then present your balance right on the home page. And that is how you will be able to check your Credit Karma debit balance. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.